guys, good evening. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel. Dear learner, today I'm here to inform you something about guidelines of paragraph. How to write paragraph freely or easily. To do so, you have to follow three sentences. First of all, topic sentence, I mean main ideas. Secondly, support sentence, and finally, closing sentence. Topic sentence. Every paragraph should contain one topic sentence and a few support sentences. In a paragraph, the sentence which expresses the main idea of the paragraph is called the topic sentence. It contains the main idea and therefore the main pillar of the paragraph. Support sentence. The sentences which are written to support the topic sentence are called support sentences. Support sentences are the other pillar used to explain, to describe, to illustrate the main idea expressed in the topic sentences. They must have logical links with the topic sentences. The main purpose of a topic sentence and support sentences is to express ideas. And finally, closing sentence. The closing sentence sums up the earlier discussion in different words or draws conclusion if these are arguments. Thus, the structure of each paragraph should be topic sentence, support sentences, closing sentence. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and keep watching my channel. Try to subscribe my channel. Have a good time. Bye.